Hi guys, in today's video I wanted to share some of my foolproof shelf styling, but a fall edition with 3 different ways you can style your shelves for fall. In this first video, I am doing a more minimalist fall approach. So I am doing my regular setup, but I added in some vintage books and a little mini bouquet of flowers that I just snipped from our back deck. There's some mums and celiosa. I can't remember how you say that, but it's very minimal fall look. In case you missed my first video on my foolproof method for styling shelves that I made like 2 years ago, I will add a link, but you can also find the link for it in my description box where I go into detail about how you can easily style your shelves every time. Okay, so for this look, we're going to go a little bit more fall than the last one just by adding in some more wooden elements, a big vase full of faux fall foliage, swapping my candles out for cream candles with brass candlesticks, and then finishing it off with some more faux foliage down on the bottom to tie the whole look together. So you can see that I have done this yellow bronze color on the top left and then crossed it over to the bottom right, and that's an easy way to make a cohesive look on your shelves, is to cross your colors kind of in a zigzag pattern depending how many shelves you have. And again, you can see more description about how to decorate in my original video. Lastly, we're going to go full fall maximalist decor on our shelves here by laying lots of pumpkins and a beautiful vase of fresh flowers with sunflowers and some bunny tails across the entire top shelf to make it nice and full. And then moving on to the bottom shelf, I'm going to add a kind of fall scene with a matching frame to the one above. That's actually a wooden X trivet that I use as decor to tie in the wooden element on the right-hand side, and then some more pumpkins, a couple real plants, a couple faux plants, and then I love using risers in my shelf decor. My husband and I make a couple different risers in different sizes and shapes in our shop Revival Goods. I'll add a link in the description box below. So I'm definitely a maximalist when it comes to decorating our home. This is for sure my favorite look, but there are 3 different options for you for decorating your house for fall. I love starting with shelves because it is low commitment and you can change them out if you grow tired of it or for the season like I've done here. And I hope this gives you lots of fall home decor inspiration. Thanks so much for checking out this video. We would love it if you hit that subscribe button, and you can find us on thebeautyrevival.com.